Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. 8 divided by 16 parentheses 16 divided by 8. This is a very simple math question, but many fail to solve this. So if you have already solved this and you are finding this very simple, then simply comment your answer and get featured in the shortcut list. I'm solving for those who don't get the right answer. Okay. So here we can see 8 divided by 16 and 16 divided by 8. 8 divided by 16, which equals to 1 by 2, times 16 divided by 8, which equals to 2, and 2 times 2, that is 1. So answer is 1. Right answer is 1. Do you think this is the right way? No, many are getting answer 1, but this is not the right way. I will show you how you can solve this by using PEMDAS, simple maths and nothing else. Okay, we will rewrite our question here. 8 divided by 16, 16 divided by 8. According to PEMDAS, first preference will be given to this parenthesis, P for parenthesis. So we will operate this first. 16 divided by 8, which equals to 2. So we can simply write like 8 divided by 16 times 2. Okay, now many are solving like very in a different way, like 8 divided by 60 times 2, that is equal to 32, and they are getting 8 by 32, 4 times 2, 8, 4, that is 1 by 4. This is also not the right answer. So what is the right way? I will show you here again. 8 divided by 16 times 2. So here two operations are there, that is division and multiplication, and both have the same priority according to PEMDAS, and we have to operate left to right to get the right answer. This is the right way. Okay. So if you solve like 8 divided by 16, which equals to what? We can write here 8 divided by 16 times 2. We can write like this. Now simply 8 times 1, 2, 2, that is 1. Here we can see this answer is 1. Both our operation are good, but this is not the right way to solve this. So always follow the PEMDAS. Here we can say 1 is the right answer. Don't follow this way. Okay, you have to operate this, but not like that. Okay, always follow upward operations. And if you've seen this, then must check out our best product for you in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.